Wow! Look! It is huge!
I want to see the big fish.
I want to see the T-Rex!
Are you ready, team?
Yes!
Let's go see the animals. Looking good, kids. Let go. Hello, explorers. Welcome to the Museum of Ancient Life.
Hello. We are excited.
We have big dinosaurs and amazing sea animals, too. Wow, animals from the land and the water.
So amazing!
Look around. You can see fossils from all over the world. And the best part is, today, you can dig for fossils.
Wow! Yay! I love digging! Let's go!
That sounds fun.
Let's go find some treasures.
Let's go!
Wow, it looks so beautiful.
Look at the big butterfly.
Welcome to the primeval forest. These are 3D animals. They look real, but they are safe. Oh my! Look at this leaf. It is bigger than me. Yes, that is an ancient fern.
What a tall tree. Ah! The tree is moving.
Don't worry, this is a brachiosaurus. It eats leaves. It is friendly.
Oh, hello, Mr. Longneck.
Look! Over there! It is the T-Rex! The king is here!
Wow, so big.
Look at the sharp teeth! So cool!
So cool. Look here, everyone. These are fossils.
What is a fossil?
Look, everyone. This is a fossil. It is a mark or a bone of an animal.
From long ago?
Yes. They are saved inside the rocks for millions of years. That is why we keep them safe here. To learn about the past and remember the history. I understand. We protect them.
Hello, little fish. You are safe now.
And now, for the fun part. Do you want to find fossils too?
Yes! We want to dig!
Okay, let's go to the dig site.
Let's go, team. March.
Let's go! Wow! So many people!
What are they doing? They are hunting for fossils. Here are your tools. Use the shovel to dig and the brush to clean.
Yes! A shovel! I am ready.
And I will find a monster. Let's go.
Okay, team. Let's dig carefully.
Dig, dig, dig!
Be careful, Leo. Go slowly. Everyone! I found something! Let me see. Wow! You found an ancient leaf! It is beautiful.
Whoa! Look at this. It is a big foot.
Oh, wow! Correct. It is a footprint. A reptile footprint. Look, I found a seashell. It is millions of years old.
Can I see, Mommy? Wow, nice. Everyone found something. But I found nothing. Just sand. I want to stop.
Don't give up, Leo. An archaeologist must be patient. Try again.
Huh? What is that sound?
Did you hit a rock?
It is just a round stone. Is it a fossil, Mommy?
Let's ask the guy.
Is this a fossil?
Oh my goodness! This is not a stone, Leo. It is a dinosaur egg fossil. It is very rare.
A dinosaur egg? Wow! Yay! I found an egg!
We are so proud of you, Leo.
You are amazing, my little brother.
And here is the champion. Up we go. You did it.
Daddy, put me down.
Okay, show your fossils. 1, 2, 3.
Woohoo!
Yeah! Hello, everyone.
Today, we are traveling to India.
Yay! Welcome to India. It is so colorful here.
Now, let's start exploring.
Let's go.
Namaste. Welcome to my shop.
Namaste. Huh. What are these?
It means hello in India.
Namaste.
Namaste. Hello.
These are spices. India is sunny and hot. Perfect for spices.
Look at these spices, kids. Red, yellow, and orange.
It is so pretty, Mommy. And it smells strong. Mommy, look at these beautiful clothes.
Do you want to try?
Look at my dress. It is a sari.
You look beautiful, Maya.
I am wearing a kurta.
I look like an Indian boy. So cool. What is that smell? I am hungry.
Look at the street food.
Hello. Welcome. Try my special street food.
I am eating naan bread. It is very soft and yummy.
This is Indian curry. Be careful. It is very spicy.
Don't worry. I will try this street curry. Water! Water! Please! It is so spicy. Fire! Fire!
Oh no. Drink this mango lassi. It is sweet and cold.
Phew! Wow! It is so sweet. Thank you.
And for kids, try the samosa. It is not spicy.
Wow! It is crunchy and yummy. Food in India is great.
Phew! I am so full. The food is great.
Excuse me. Where should we visit next?
You should visit the old temple. The architecture is very unique.
A unique temple? Let's go, family.
Let's go.
Look, it has one very tall tower and 4 small towers.
Are they made of stones, Mommy?
No, they are old bricks with beautiful lotus flowers. Let's walk around the tower. We must walk clockwise to show respect.
Clockwise? Like a clock, Mommy?
Yes, Maya. Very smart. Buddhism started here, in India. It teaches us to be kind and find peace. Look at this big tree. It is the Bodhi tree. Buddha meditated here long ago.
Meditate? What is that, Mommy?
Shh! It means sitting quietly. Be polite, Leo. People are meditating.
I like it here. It is very peaceful. Breathe in. Breathe out. Wow, where are we?
We are at the beach, Maya.
Look, Mommy. What are they doing? Are they dancing?
No, Maya. They are doing yoga. Do you know? Yoga is from India. I have an idea. Why don't we do yoga with them? What do you think?
Great idea! Let's go, everyone!
Yoga makes us healthy. Let's try the tree pose. First, stand on one leg. Then, hands up high. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Look at me. I am a beautiful tree.
This is harder than it looks.
Whoa, I am dizzy. Oh no, I am a falling tree.
You are a very funny tree, Leo.
What a great day! India is wonderful.
Beautiful temples and delicious food.
What do you like? The temple, the food, or yoga?
If you like our video, please like and share.
Yes, share it with your friends.
And don't forget to subscribe. Join our adventure team.
Namaste.
Goodbye.
See you next time.